Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Hatur Rahman with NPM 2241100X. My from class management 22A. Next, here I will explain a material about the management. Next, definition of debit management. Debit management is a payment plan arranged through parties, the third credit controlling agency, which set the schedule and condition new payment that can help you pay off debit with more affordable according to current ability to pay. Or even faster, debit management is usually offered to the ultimate borrower by credit counselor unable to repay their loans based on their financial review. Debit management plan generally include unsecured debit loans not secured by collateral, such as credit card debit (KTA) or KPR. Debit management is the actual process of paying debit intended to help people involved in debit. Road companies that specialize in credit consulting offer debit management plan to help people involved in debit and their credit so that their financial condition improve. Next, type of debit based of financial management. Consumer debit. Debit is debit then area for consumption purpose, even though it is called consumptive. This debit cannot be connoted as bad debit because there are many consumption activities that have great benefit. For example, consumption activities are for children's school fees, hospital infection costs, maternity costs, renovation or building costs, and so on. Productive debit. Productive debit is debit that is used for business capital purpose. Debit this type requires different requirements such as the need for supporting the document such as SUP and PVP. Productive debit can not only be used for finance personal business, but can also be used for investment and purchasing purpose, franchise, or purchase of other assets. Next, the debit management objective. In simple terms, the purpose of debit management is one how to manage debit so that it goes according to plan. This means that both the borrower and the lender can achieve their respective goals. Debit management aims to help borrowers get funds or assets to pay off debts. With thus, the risk of default can be avoided. Good planning will provide comfort for both parties. Borrower can pay off their debt according to a condition finance and debit borrower get her money back. Apart from that, good debit management also aims to minimize further deterioration of financial condition. Debit installment monthly should not exceed 35% of total income. Next, debit management tips. 1. Make a plan. Planning aims to determine what debit priorities should be paid first. This aims to find out the total debit and prepare a required fund. The first priority can be focused on debit by amount and rate it has interest. Not a few have a percent conditional where interest rate higher than the principal debit. This will certainly make the borrower feel very burdened. By therefore, make sure to prioritize this debit first. The second priority is debit that outside asset, activities, and collateral. Material this usually happen when someone is late in paying mortgage installment, The worst risk of defaulting on debit is occurred by asset is loss of ownership of the asset. 2. Don't apply the concept of cover the hole. Dig a hole, always avoid the decision to borrow new debit to pay off the debit order. This condition is usually known as digging a closet hole. Many ghosts this method as the fastest solution, where such solution will not last long because borrower will remain in debit and it will continue to fill up. 3. Manage expenses. The next debit management is to reduce the amount of expenses as much as possible. This is certainly part of the risk take on the debit. Start prioritizing basic needs and avoid spending which is not important. A CBC and ESP friend need to understand how to differentiate net and series. By managing expense, the bid payment can be made consistently and promptly paid off. Next, 4. Leverage asset. Ownership of certain asset can also be a solution pay off the bid. Moreover, this asset can be used to pay off the bid. The asset in question can be land, deposit, gold, jewelry, or asset with other asset value. For some people, using asset to pay off the bid may feel heavy. However, if it is a burden unresolved, the bid will certainly cause many problems. Apart from that, the existence of assets should also be possible alternative solution for organ. 5. Look for other source of income. One of the best solutions for debit management is to arm additional source of income. It cannot be denied that debit arises because expenses are more than income. Therefore, for pay of existing debit and meet need, increase the amount of income is the most appropriate answer. 6. Negotiation. The final step then can be taken in management debit is to negotiate. Tell me with to be honest, the current condition for a creditor are good individual and institution. This attitude can be assessed as good intention is a form of responsibility to pay off the debt. Debtors can also profit solutions such as reduction in interest, extension of tenor of number of monthly installment. How to avoid the debt? 1. Make a monthly budget. You have to know how much income and expenses every month and allocate funds for priority needs. Saving and investment must be disciplined following a predetermined budget or not spending beyond one man and beyond one hand. 2. Refrain from the temptation of consumerist shopping. Differentiate between needs and when, and it is not easy tempted to buy unnecessary things. Find a way to reduce the use of credit cards or pay later, which can lead to debit if not paid on time. More especially, stay away from the temptation of loan that exists in practice ribawi in it. 3. Have emergency fund saving. Have special saving to anticipate emergency condition. Need urgent fund such as illness, accident, or disaster. This emergency fund saving can help avoid debt when it occurs unexpected things. 4. Looking for additional income. Take advantage of the ability or hobby you have to earn money additional income apart from the main job. Income this addition can be used to increase saving, investment, or pay the bill if any. 5. Asking for professional help. If you find it difficulty to manage your finance or debit, please ask professional assistance such as financial consultant or institute debit settlement. They can provide suggestive solution or assistance related to the financial or debit problem. However, make sure to cause a trusted party and has official permission. Conclusion: a small or large-scale business requires capital can be obtained from the bid, preferred share on ordinary equity. The bid can also help solve company problem currently lacking funds by borrowing from the bank or financial institution and even without other parties' agreement. With the bid, our agreement will profitable for the company, but very rich if the company borrowed the smooth fund without paying attention how to plan to pay within a certain period of time agreed. For this reason, before going into the bid, the company should make good plans so as not to harm at other. Okay, companies and founder. The bid is divided into time debit, short term debit or current debit, and long term debit or non current debit. Okay, that's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.